How to recover TikTok account without email or phone number. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you can recover your TikTok account using your username and not just your email or your password. Sorry, email or your phone number. But remember, you will need to know your password. So first, launch your TikTok application. After that, tap on your profile icon. Now drag down this button and then go to add account. Now go to login. After that, select use phone number, email or username if you know your username and password. But if you don't know your email or phone number or not even your username, you can tap on continue with Facebook, and if the account is linked with your Facebook, it will directly log in. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.